Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review Surf Excel Stain Eraser Big Bar. Honestly speaking guys, I have used this soap for many years and I'm also impressed with its results. This soap is especially ideal for those living in the rural village areas and to those who wash clothes in the open air and those who don't like washing clothes with detergent powder, then I can definitely recommend this bar for you. Also, it can be used by everyone, even if you are a man or woman living alone who has no any washing machines or any helper in your house. So it's up to your choice. It is best for hand washing of clothes. This Surf Excel bar is also very effective on removing tough stains such as tea stains, coffee stains, turmeric stain, curry, gravy, ketchups and chocolate stains with just one product only. This soap bar combines the cleaning benefits similar to that of vinegar, blue, bleach and lemon. So you don't need to use all the DIY tasks if you have this soap. Also, they have got very long lasting fragrance if you wash with this soap bar. So let's open the packet of the soap and see. So this is the bar. It's a quite big soap and that's how the soap looks like. As you can see here, the color is in light blue shade and if you smell it, it really smells great. So guys, now I'm going to give a little demo of using this soap. Now I'm going to take one piece of dirty cloth. I'm going to wet the cloth and then start rubbing with this soap like this, as you can see here. And then you can give a little smash to the cloth. After that you can also take the help of a cloth brush to remove the tougher stains. And I hope you can also notice the texture of the soap. It is stable, unlike other washing soaps. The texture of this soap doesn't melt easily, so it can save your soap from getting over fastly. So guys, after rubbing for at least 3 to 4 minutes, rinse the clothes with water thoroughly. So guys, that's it all about. It's a very good soap. It is pocket friendly as well as it saves a lot of money. So you can also definitely try this version of soap and do let me know in the comment section box. Also guys, now you can see that it has removed the top stains and the dust from my clothes that I have already washed. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If so, then please give this video a like, share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel if you are new here. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.